We are pleased to show you the 2016 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, technology package, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, cargo net. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.